and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be on how to get this look right here. I'm only going to be showing you guys how I did my eyes. I did the rest of my face off camera. So I bought this NYX glitter and I've been wanting to use it now for a while. So I went ahead and applied it on top of my eyeliner. Hope you guys can see that. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I get this video, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It has become my favorite, by the way. And I'm going to dip into Pukey. And I'm just going to blend that all over my crease. I'm using this shade as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going to dip into Mocha. And I'm going to go ahead and deepen my crease. So I'm just going to apply that as well all over. Now I'm taking this Morphe flat brush and I'm going to apply Central Park all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my blending brush, dip back into Pukey, and I'm going to blend my crease with that shade we just did on the lid. I want to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. I also took another blending brush with no product and just went over all of my shadows to make sure there weren't any harsh lines. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with light. Now I'm going to mix Light and Queen, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with those two. Alright, now moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take Mocha with this pencil brush and just start applying that all over my lower lash line. Going back to Central Park, I am also going to apply this all over my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my liquid eyeliner. Little secret, it works best if it's not dried out like mine was. It took me so long to get that wing. But just go ahead and create a nice cat eye. Alright, now moving on to the fun part, the glitter. So I am going to go ahead and just apply this on top of my eyeliner. And don't worry if you mess up, it is very easy to just cover it up with the black. Or you can take a brush and move around the glitter as long as it hasn't dried. Because once this dries, it does stay put. So keep that in mind. I also went ahead and did a second coat of glitter. I wanted the glitter to be a little bit more dramatic. So there were some spots I wanted to go ahead and clean up, so I took my eyeliner and went over them. Like I said, it was very easy to just go back. Just be careful, and then you can get that nice sharper line. Because I want this wing to be very sharp, I am going to take my Tarte Shape Concealer, put it in the back of my hand, and take this angled brush. I don't know where this brush is from, actually. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my lines and make this wing as sharp as possible. Use a beauty sponge. I am using my beauty blender to just go ahead and blend that out. I took my pencil brush and just dragged what I did with my lower lash line, just so I wouldn't have those sharp lines of where I placed the concealer. And like always, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ardell falsies. They are number 601, my favorite ones ever. Once my lash was done, I noticed that I had a little bald spot here, so I just went and applied more glitter. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, apply some mascara top and bottom. enjoyed, and if you recreate this look, let me know. Tag me in your pictures. I will leave my socials down below in the comments section. I hope you guys enjoyed like always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below any requests you guys would like to see from me. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was fun, helpful. I loved how this look came out. Loved it. It just looks so nice. I love it. It looks so snatched, and I don't know. I love how it turned out. That is all I've got for you guys today, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
¿Qué pasó?
I'm leaving. Damn, look at his legs.